Disappointed that he's not coming home?
Yep.
Yeah. Can you guys look at me? You guys are never going to come to this kind of place again. Okay?
Why?
Because we'll have a dog tomorrow.
The reason why I said adopted is because Scooter is ours.
Oh, Rain.
Scooter is ours.
Oh, Rain. Oh,
Scooter's-
Rain.
The reason why we can't bring Scooter home tonight is because they have to give him a little bit of stuff before he got to take some shots, and they got to have some little bit of surgery done to him. But Scooter
worry,
is
Sticky.
ours.
Scooter's our dog now.
Seriously?
Seriously.
Oh, Rain.
You excited?
Wait a
Okay. Calm down. We love you. Merry Christmas.
I love you.
Oh, Rain.